Hey mate, and welcome to Old Mate Adventures.
Hi, I'm Kel.
And I'm Jed.
In 2021, we quit the grind, sold everything and hit the road for a semi-retirement life.
Follow us as we trek, camp and hunt our way around Australia and beyond. You can guess what's on this morning's menu. Got some of Ronnie's famous homemade bacon. Thanks for that, Ronnie. There you go.
Oh yeah.
I didn't wrap it very well.
No. Good one.
Yeah, not much happening this morning. We're gonna have a bit of a clean up and a cuppa and whatever, and I'm gonna make some fishing rigs. I've got to make a heap of King George whiting sort of paternosters and skippy slayers. Yeah, the clouds are starting to break up a little bit, which is good. Got the panel out, just getting a few more watts, and we're pretty good anyway, almost at 100%. We did notice we had a little friend visit us last night. Yeah, it's done a few laps around our setup and had a bit of a look. Yeah, it's quite curious, whatever it was. I'd say a cat. Yeah, just gonna chuck on a podcast and see what I got. Way to start your Monday morning. Monday mornings with Pete, we call it. Not
None of these Sunday mornings with Macca.
That's right.
These Monday mornings with Pete.
Well, that's me morning's work. Made 8 or so rigs, and yeah, just gonna sort out a few rigs for myself. Some Hezza slayers for the Savo's sleigh. Yeah, clouds come in again, so we'll see if it any rain comes of it. We decided we're just gonna embrace the weather and just going to take me flicky and go to the same spot as I went yesterday. for a bit of a Hezza sleigh, hopefully. We've walked over to the other side of the rocks. Yesterday I was fishing the rocks over there. I didn't want to come over this side because Kel wouldn't have been able to see me where we were camping. But it's a bit deeper water here, and there's a bit of I don't know, there's some rocks and whatever just out the side there. So I'll give it a flick over there, a bit deeper. Never know, might be some Hezzas. The old laser 10 grammer might be a bit light on for this wind. We'll soon find out. Just makes it. Oh, Hezzas are there. Oh, they're there. They're there. The wind is shit house. Yep. Oh, no, lost him. Oh, yeah, back on. Yeah, we got him. Got to time these waves. Hezza. First little Hezza. I'm going to let this one go. Good luck. Good luck, chum. Yay. Right. Oh, yep. Oh, no. Yep, we're on. Might be double bangers here. Let's wave in. Right. Yep, doubles. Nice. They're there, Aaron. That one took the red skirt. This one here's banged all three trebles. You can see that.
Greedy little fucker.
Woo. Yeah, that's how you do it. Alright, need 4 more. See how we go. Hope this. I'm gonna try those rocks out there. Probably get snagged. Nothing. It's gone quiet. Oh, they're back. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we're on. Oh, now we're off. Oh, hey. There's a good one. I did have 2 on. Yeah, he's getting a bit bigger. Lovely. Anyway, I'll put him in the tank and get 3 more. Oh, they're hitting it. Oh, no, oh, yeah. Whee! Oh, yep. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, yeah, on again. Oh, off again. Little fuckers. Yeah. Finally. Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah. Back on. 2. Oh, there's heaps on there. Oh, no, lost him. Shit. Yeah. Oh, right there. Oh, shit. Oh, right there. Yeah. Fucking hell. Kook fest. Oh, this time. Oh, no. So, oh, there he is. Oh, 2 of them, I think. Oh, and I'll lose probably both of them as well. Oh, no, come on. There we go. Hey, shit. Have a little hezza. Yep. Oh, doubles. Hey, oh, one got off. That one's pretty good. Nice blue on top there, eh, when they get that big, bit bigger. Oh, of course. Fuck me. Fuck yeah. Here goes me lure. Bugger.
How did that last cast go for you?
Shit. Straight into the barnacles. What a dickhead. I'll tie this big dog on. See what happens. Got a laser 35 redhead. Bit more weight on it. Big lure, big fish, which will probably equal big snag into the rocks. I'll show you how to lose another lure in 5 seconds. Oh, this thing casts so good. Bit of weight on it, bang. Ezra there. Oh, yeah, we're on.
Oh!
Triples. I'll keep that big one at the back. Oh, that's it, I reckon. I'll fill it up, these hezzers. Got a couple for bait now, which is good. It was pretty good in the end. I got 9 and then a couple extras for bait. So yeah, we've got a bag of fillets and we'll chuck them in the smoker tomorrow. I'll put it in brine today.
Yep.
See what happens. Yeah, we'll probably tomorrow. We're not too sure if we're gonna pack up camp tomorrow. We're pretty sure that everywhere is just gonna be just as busy. So if the weather's not too bad here, we might stick here for another night. The good thing is we haven't got any rain, which is great.
Shh. Don't say that.
So I'm just going to put some brine together to put into this herring, and then we'll bang it back in the fridge for the night. And all I use is a bit of salt, brown sugar, and then just add a little bit of water. Make it into a bit of a brine, pour it into the Ziploc bag here, mix it all up, and I'll leave it in the fridge overnight, and then tomorrow we'll put it in the smoker. Then you're done. I'll probably chuck that just in the angle overnight, and it'll be good to go in the morning. Tonight we've got waffle fries, and Ronnie made some brisket the other week and gave us the leftovers, which we cryovac and just wrap in alley foil, which is awesome. It's a wicked little trick. It stays as good as the day it was cooked, and you just heat it up. And I was going to save this. We had a couple of packets of it, and I thought, oh, in a few weeks time we'll forget about it at the bottom of the angle. And anyway, we're going to eat it because it's fucking good. Waffle fries nearly done. Chuck the brisket on in a minute.
Super calm.
Calmed off heaps, eh? was thinking this is in celebration of the greatest Hezza slayer that ever lived, because we ate Ronnie's bacon for breakfast.
Oh,
And then
it's been all about the Hezza slayer today.
Yeah. We slayed Hezzas in his honour, and we're eating his 17-hour brisket.
And waffle fries that he got for us from Costco.
True. Make it even, otherwise there'll be fights. There you go. 17-hour brisket.
Thank you.
Costco waffle fries.
Damn.
It's a lovely morning here this morning. A little bit of breeze just starting to come in, and super heavy dew. A little water on the top here. Oh, I sent the drone out and we have a small school of salmon literally straight out from the gutter, straight out there. I think I can see them. I don't have any sort of dropper thing on me drone, and they are, oh no, they're probably 150 meters offshore, which yeah, definitely can't cast that far. Just trying to think. Anyway, I'm going to get my gear ready, chuck a fairly decent sized lure on me flicky, and see if that'll do it. Yeah, we'll give it a go. Anyway, I'll rig up and see if they come in closer. Can't see them. Oh yeah. No. Right on the edge of them. Well, we lost them. They went too far out. Yeah, they just kept going out. They didn't come in. I was hoping they were going to come in this gutter right next to us, but nothing. Anyway, I might gives me incentive to chuck a big bait out later and see if they come in. Yeah, I'm switching to plan B, and I've got on my gear here, and just going to see if I can find an abalone or two. I'm just going to walk back up to the rocks, just in front of me there. That's not salmon right in front of me. No, I don't think so. I think it's rocks. Everything I see now, I'm thinking it's salmon. Just about to gear up, and way just outside the breakers is another school of salmon. Only a very small one, but they are just there. There they are. You'll see them just in that wave. But I'll see if I can get out to the sandbar out here and lob a lure in there, see how I can go. Got a Halco outcast. Oh yeah, there they are. Should be able to get them. Oh yeah. Yep, straight up. Woo! Oh. Woohoo! Yeah. How good is that? Oh, he spat me. Yep. Oh yeah. Woo! They're not jumping. Only little ones. Oh, now he's going off. Come on, buddy, you're gonna get let go. I'm gonna let you go. Woo! Oh! Woohoo! Oh, how good is that? Little salmon. Nothing massive, but yeah, I'll chuck him back in the drink. There you go, mate. Oh, that is good exercise. I'll see if I can get another one. Shit! Oh, I don't know where they've gone. Oh well. Old mate custom rod. First salmon for this rod. Boom. Salmon slayer. Well, we are on a bit of a mission. Kel went for a bit of a stroll this morning, a few, maybe 3Ks up to the next bay, and took some photos and whatnot. It looked pretty calm. And as you can tell, the beach is absolutely amazing today.
It's even better down there.
That's it, yeah. Anyway, we've geared up and got all the bits and bobs, and I'll go for an explore up there while the weather's nice and the wind's sort of chilled. Be mad not to. You don't get too many days like this in near the Esperance coast anyway.
Not this time of year.
No.
Oh, you got stuck in your lid.
I was just walking. It just attacks me. How nice is that? We are camped way over past those rocks over there in the distance. Oh, look at that. Bloody lovely. I'll go have a look, see. $80, $75, $80, this is a good one, $90, $85, you beauty. great success. We got I think I got like 8 or 9. What's going on? Kel's laughing at me.
Oh, you got some candles.
I've got lube in my mustache.
Oh yeah. That middle. Yeah, there you go.
Nice. There was heaps of abs there, so it took like 8 or 9. You're allowed like 20 a day, but yeah, they're all fairly big and probably like all 20 or 30 mil oversized. It's pretty good to see. Oh, that's my little haul of abs. Yeah, I'm just going to shuck these and sort them out. Chuck them in a Ziploc bag and put them in the fridge, and we'll eat probably half of them tonight, and I'll keep the rest and probably have them maybe over the next couple of nights. I'm going to try a different way to cook them as well, where you don't have to tenderise and beat them. I did a bit of YouTubing and seen a couple of fellas doing it a bit different way. Anyway, yeah, I'll sort these out and then I'm going to have a nana nap. Tonight we're just having a bit of Heza and just chucking in the old simple coating mix. Done. And we found using the pot instead of a fry pan has been heaps better. Saves splatter and all that sort of crap. Works a treat. Kel's on salad duties.
An average salad because the lettuce we bought 2 days ago
He's gone rank.
already.
Done. On another note, the wind has died off again. It's absolutely marvellous. Yeah, we've been here similar time a few years ago, and absolutely terrible. Pissing down with rain, windy as balls. But yeah, I think we've jagged some good weather for a change. Yeah, we're not too sure what we're doing yet tomorrow. I can't really.
And it's a really nice day again. Like fuck it.
Yeah.
Let's just stay here.
It's not costing us anything, and yeah, the weather's good. We can still catch a feed and
Yeah.
chill out while the weather's good. There's no point packing up and moving on a primo day, and then yeah.
And if it goes to shit Thursday, you wasted a day.
Yeah, true. Oh, we'll see what happens.
See what happens.
Yep. Yeah.
Food time.
Food time. How much Heza do you want? Oh, there's a couple of little bits left. Very good. Heza and salad.
Look at that.
Chunky cheese.